When a ceiling crack goes from this to this, listen up. The weight of the world was just too much for this 70-year-old plaster ceiling. I took this to be a metaphor for the past few years.
Just what I need.
This was my toddler's room, and I'm still grateful it didn't fall on her while she was sleeping. After the sky stopped falling, I pried off the remaining plaster with a pry bar, lamenting my life's decisions.
I love old houses. New builds lack character.
Oh, and here's a still shot of me falling forward off the ladder with a pry bar in hand, grateful I wasn't impaled. Then it was cleanup time. FEMA was like, this looks like a natural disaster, we should probably help you. And I said, no thanks, I got this covered, 4 kids, do this every day. Turns out our roofers had made a mistake, condensation was building up in the walls, and I had to tear this out too. Long story. My dad and husband helped me replace the ceiling with drywall, which I taped and mudded, awful. I then added crown molding around the perimeter of the room and painted the walls a light, delicate blue. It's very on brand of me to make polarizing design choices, so let's welcome to the party these lattice panels. Here's some sage advice to my former self. Use a paint sprayer. After hoisting these into place, I nailed them to the ceiling, filled all the seams and nail holes, and added some lattice trim. A lot of paint touch-ups, 4 words, pain in the neck. Here's the before, and here is the final result that I am definitely never going to regret and pray I always love forever and ever because it was the worst project I've ever done. Tell me, would you buy a house with a lattice ceiling? Be sure to follow for more fine art, flips, and the finishing of this room.